How are you? I don't know if I just froze or not. I don't know what I was saying, but let me know in the comments down below, how is your day going? So if you read in my title, I'm going to be unbagging the Bolzano handbag or per subscription pocketbooks. I really like this. Now I do get this sent to me free for review, which I honestly really like this. If this wasn't sent to me, I probably would subscribe to this. I love pocketbooks so much. So let me explain a little bit what this is. This is a $33.95 a month subscription with accessories. Now you can also get just the regular subscription, just the regular, like just the handbags without the subscription, which I believe is around 20-something dollars. I don't remember. I'll leave the link down below. And they also started, I think you could just get accessories now, and you can get this new thing. It's called the Companion, and that is some makeup and different things like accessories that they started now, which they did, when they emailed me, they did tell me is in here. I haven't opened this up, so I don't know what's in here, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it when we get to it. So that is exciting. Oh, my phone just dropped. All right, so it comes in like, this is how it comes in, like a little bag like this, and then you always get like a little duster bag, which I really, really like. That's a nice touch that they do have that. So let's open her up and see what the bag looks like. All right. So let's see. Okay. Oh, and you also, when you sign up, there's like 52 questions of your profile that they ask you, different styles you like, what colors you like, different accessories. So I like that too. And so this is the bag this month. So this is a little different. I don't know about the color. This is like an orangey red, but in the summertime, I will definitely be rocking this. I really like this a lot. That's really, really pretty. So this is like an orangey red, and it has like the brown, color in it. The accessories, you have a little pocket back here. So that's good. It's not too deep. I wouldn't be able to put my phone in it, but you can probably put like keys or money or anything like that in there, which that's a nice touch, or like your lipstick or something. I like that. Okay, let's open her up and see what it looks like. Let's see. This is really nice because I like bigger pocketbooks. So then that looks, let's take this stuff out. I'll show you this in a second. Let me show you the pocketbook. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. So you get a little pocket right there. And again, not too wide, but you can definitely stick some stuff in there, which I do like. And then you have these little things here. Here's another little divider you could put keys in, so you can find, you can find it easy. Another little pocket, and this is really big. I like that a lot. I really, really do. At first when I looked at this color, but and then you get the B for the Bolzano. But I honestly really do like this for the summer and the spring. This will be beautiful. All right, so I get accessories with it every month. So let's show you, and everybody gets different things. When you fill out your profile, you will get different, some people, you can get scarves, you can get, here is some jewelry. All right. Oh, this is pretty. So this is the little necklace and the earrings right there. Let's turn that around so you can see. That's really pretty right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the earrings match. I'll definitely give this to my daughter. She likes stuff like this. But this is really, really pretty. So that, oh, you know what? If I do it like this, and you can see it better. There we go. So that's really, really pretty. I might keep this for myself. I don't know, but I like it. So that's good. And then you have the long chain, which you could probably make it shorter or longer. All right, so that is the accessories this month with this bag. Like I said, this is $33.95. Also, I'll link down below if you put, let me get this right. If you put ANNEGIFT, and I'll leave it down below in all caps, when you order, you have to put it in the search box. you will get a free gift when you are a new subscriber. So that's good. All right, so let's talk about this new. They just started this last month, I believe. This is called the Companion. The Companion. Why can't I think of it? Let me look. All right, so they started. Let's just read what it says. All right, so this is the Companions with your order. So you can get this for $10 extra with your monthly. You can either get the handbag subscription or the handbag and accessories. And you can pay $10 extra to get this. But if you get the quarterly, if you pay by quarter, then this only costs you $8. Okay, so let's see. And let me tell you what you get in it. Let's see. I'm all over the place, guys. I know. All right, so you will receive 2 to 3 beauty products each month with their handbags and an accessory subscription. Let's see. Those that are new to Bolzano would sign up with the purse and accessories and then add. Okay, so I was wrong. You have to get the purse and accessories in order to purchase this if you would like that. The cost is $10 per month or $8 if they pay quarterly. So that is okay. And then I have the link that I can share with you guys. All right. Let's go on with this and see what this is. This is really exciting that they are starting out and branching out. So this is what it looks like when you first look at it. All right. So I guess this just tells you what is in there, right there. Does it have like prices or anything? All right. So the first thing that you get is this beauty blender. This is a 2-piece eye and face beauty blender. So there you go, right there. Then you get, it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's open her up. Let me cut this. All right. So that's what it looks like. It says from Desi. All right. Let's see. So this comes with it, which I don't use this, but this is good. Don't throw these away. These are good to really pack on. I don't use them as for like blending or anything like that, but back in the day, I'm in my 40s, so you guys know if you did your makeup in the 80s or 90s, you didn't have brushes like you do now. You use these things. You use what came in with your blush or eyeshadow palettes, and now I look at it like, how the heck do we make this stuff work? You know? But yeah, this is really good for packing on. All right, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to do some swatches for you. It's really pretty. This looks, it's nice and creamy. I wasn't expecting that. So there we go. Let's see. They look very light. Like this would be good for spring or summer. So it's very light. It's not very pigmented, but they feel very, very silky. Okay. Here we go. Yep, that's pretty. And then I will do the last row. And there's the last 4. They are pretty. So there we go. So that's not bad. I think it's pretty. I'll have to work with it. They're not like very pigmented, but they feel really good to the touch. So that's exciting. I'll definitely play around with that. And last but not least, we got this Moisturizing Gel Glove. Oh, I am so excited to get this. Moisturize your hands, soft, soothe and soft. Okay, let's see. Revitalize your hands in 20 minutes. Moisturizing gel gloves. Oh, God, I love this. So it's a lot to do. So you just wash your hands with soap and dry thoroughly before use. Place gloves on clean, dry hands and wear for 20 minutes. Once treatment is complete, remove from hands and store them in dry, cool place with knitted portion. Okay, all right, blah, 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 blah. So I am so excited to get this. I don't know how many times I can say it. So you only get 1 pair, but I live in New Jersey and I'm also diabetic, so my hands always get so dry. So that's good. So let's recap what is in the accessory, the companion. So you get this. Well, everybody gets different things, I think. It goes by your profile. You know, you don't, that's what I like about it too. Everybody, you get different things. So you got that. We got the eyeshadow palette, and we got the beauty blenders. I really like this. I would definitely probably pay the extra $10 for this. I don't know. Let me know, because I don't know how much this is. But if you get it quarterly, you pay extra $8. Let me know what you think about that. So this is the accessory that I got that came with the bag this month. Right there, which that's really, really pretty. And this is the bag, which I really like this bag. Let's see. So that's good. I like that you have a lot of space here. Some bags you get and it's like this, and I don't like it. So I really like this a lot. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you think? If you're wondering what's on my eyes, I am wearing from ColourPop. This is the Bretman Rock collab, the lit. They had the lit and the wet. The wet was like a bluish color. This right here is what that looks like. And I used every color except for this yellow one right there. And I really like it. It's nice for travel size. And I like ColourPop eyeshadows. I really do. And for the price, they're so affordable. I really do like them. I definitely recommend the ColourPop pressed eyeshadows. All right, that's everything, guys. Don't forget to like this video because it really does help me out. Don't forget to comment. Let me know how your day is going. And what do you think of this subscription? And as always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.